Hello everyone, this is Preeti. We are here with the another question of exercise 6.3, page number 121, question number 2. Find the value of unknown x and y in the following diagram. So we have to find the value of x and y's given in the figures. These are the 6 figures given to us. So start with the first one. This is the first figure given to us. This is x, this is y, this is given as 120 and this is as 50. So first we will start with 50 degree plus x is equal to 120. Why? Because sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angles. So we are going to write here sum of interior opposite angles are equal to exterior angle. So 50 degree plus x is equal to 120. Now x is equal to 120 minus 50. Now x is equal to 70 degree. So the value of x is equal to 70 degree. Now we have to find the value of y. Now we are going to write here x plus y plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. Why? With the angle sum property. In the angle sum property, if we add 3 of the angles of the triangle, then the total will be equal to 180 degree. Now the value of x is 70 plus y plus 50 is equal to 180. Now y plus, we'll add them, 120 is equal to 180, y is equal to 180 minus 120, y is equal to 60 degree. So this is the value of y. This is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. This is the figure of the part 2. This is 80 degree, this is y and this is x. As we know that the y and 80, they are vertically opposite angles. So we'll write here y is equal to 80 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Now y plus 50 plus x, we have to find the value of x. This one is equal to 180 with the angle sum property. Now the value of y is equal to 80 degree plus 50 degree plus x is equal to 180, 130 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 degree minus 130. Now x is equal to 50 degree. So the value of x is equal to 50 and the value of y is equal to 80. This is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. This is the part 3. This one is x, this one is y, this one is 50 and this one is the 60. First we'll find out y. So 50 degree plus 60 degree plus y. This one is equal to 180 degree with the angle sum property. Now 110 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y is equal to 180 degree minus 110 and y is equal to 70 degrees. The value of y is equal to 70 degree. Now we'll find out the value of x. Now this x and y, they are on the straight line, so they are making the linear pair. Now x plus y, this one is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because this is our linear pair. So the value of y is 70. X plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 minus 70. Now x is equal to 110 10. So this is 110 and this one is the 70. This is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. This is the part 4. This one is 30, this one is x and this one is y. The exterior angle is given to us is 60 degree. So x is equal to 60 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So x is equal to 60 degree. Now x plus y plus 30 degree, this one is equal to 180 with the angle sum property. Now we know that the value of x is equal to 60 degree. 60 plus y plus 30 degree, this one is equal to 180 degree. Y plus 90 degree, this one is equal to 180 degree. Now y is equal to 180 minus 90, y is equal to 90 degree. So the value of x is equal to 60 and value of y is equal to 90 degree. Now comes to the part 5. Now this is the 5, this one is given x, this one is also x and this one is y, and the exterior angle is equal to 90 degree. So first y is equal to 90 degree with the vertically opposite angle. Now x plus y, this one is equal to 180 with the angle sum property. In the angle sum property, it is given that if we add angles of the triangle, then this one is equal to 180 degree. Now 2x and the value of y is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. Now 2x is equal to 90 degree. Now x is equal to 90 divided by 2. We'll transpose this 2 from left hand side to right hand side. Here it is getting multiplied. Now coming on the right hand side, it will divide. Now x is equal to 45 degree. So the value of x is 45. This one is 45, this one is 45 and this one is 90 degree. So this is the part 5. Now comes to the part 6. This is the figure of the part 6. This one is x, this one is x, this one is x and this one is given as y. Now all of 3 exterior angles are equal to x and 1 pi interior angle is given. So first we'll write here x is equal to y because they are vertically opposite angles. Now if x is equal to y, then all the 3 interior angles are also equal to x. So we are going to write here x plus x plus x. This one is equal to 180 degree with the angle sum property. Now 3x is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 degree divided by 3. Now we'll divide 180 by 3. So the value of x is equal to 60 degree. So the value of x is equal to 60 degree. If x is equal to 60 degree, so y is also equal to 60 degree. So with this one, we have completed the question number 2. In the next video, we are going to start with the exercise 6.4.